Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have a challenge lock for you guys. And so this is, let's get zoomed in here. This challenge lock is by Albert LaBelle, and it is called Pinup. Very nice. This is the Vista wall lock, but see, there's no markings on the lock itself. So the key says Pinup by Albert LaBelle. So as you might have noticed, since this is a Schlage SC1 keyway, I'm going to use my Schlage leashy pick on this thing. Get that key out of there. I don't need that there. So get that in the vise. So if you guys think it's cheating by using a leashy pick on a challenge lock, I just say do whatever you feel like doing. Let's make sure this works right. So here's the key, of course, again, 5-pin SC1. Does work very well. The cam is missing the vise, which is perfect. Get that out of there. So I'll just be using this Leashy SC1 tool to do it. And so you can't really see the numbers too well, but that's okay. It's just picking the challenge lock is all I'm doing. So pin 1, nothing right now. 2, get a little bit of click there, a little bit core movement, a little bit. Pin 3, let's see, down. Counter, come on, there we go, nice click there. Pin 4, just touched that, moved a little bit, but nothing else. Pin 5, nothing. 4, nothing. 3, 2, nothing. Pin 1, so obviously I did something weird. Probably when I set pin 3, it probably did something weird. So let's reset the lock. So pin 1, nothing. 2, click out of that one. 3, we'll leave that one alone for now. Pin 4, bunch of clicks there. Pin 5, we'll click there. Back to pin 1. We'll click there with counter. Pin 2, nothing. 3 is binding. I click there. Oh, that's a lot of counter rotation there. Pin 4, nothing. 5, good click there. So 1 fill set. 2 fill set. 3 fill set. 4 fill set. 5, counter, a lot of counter. There's a good click there. Lost a bit of that false set there, so we're going to go back through here. Or just barely touch pin 4 and we do have the open. So one thing I do like about using the leashy pick is that I can get a lot of control over the tension, which I really like, especially with these challenge locks. So as you can see, there's the key. Set that vise out of the way. As you can see, it is open. Turn the cam back there. So let's lock that back up and let's see some of the pin work that Albert had in here. Take the cam off. since I'm zoomed in, it's just trying to pay attention to make sure that I'm keeping things in frame, because it's really easy to get things out of frame when you're not zoomed in, when you're zoomed in. Sounds like somebody might be home. The dogs are barking. Get a shim out here. Put the key in. Shim. I can see some markings there on the back now. AL on the back. I don't know if you can see that now. You can kind of see that right there. Maybe I should go the other way. Sometimes I have a little bit better experience going that way. Okay. Make sure I get this in here. There we go. Okay, a little 5-pin lock. Let's dump these pins out. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in the core here, we do have let's see. So hopefully you can hear the dog is going crazy. Anyway, so we have some threading on pin 2 and 4, and it feels like a little bit of undercut on pin 1. Pin 3 doesn't feel anything, and pin 5 feels like there's a little bit of undercut. Chamber, I should say chamber anyway. So let's get the shim out of there. Let's take a look at the pins on top. So there's pin 1. Pin 2. Get the, see if the spring comes out. There's number 1, chasing it all over the place. Get the springs out while we're at it too. 2. Yeah, these are different springs in each chamber. Pin 3. Where's the spring? There we go. So let's go turn this around to the other side. Pin 5. And spring. And pin 4. And spring. And that should be everything. Just taking a look at the Bible here. Pin 1, nothing done on that one. Chamber 2, got some threading. Chamber 3, nothing. Chamber 4, looks like I got some threading in there. And chamber 5 is nothing. So let's take a look at these pins here. There we go, focus, good. Actually focus for me today. Okay, so 1 is standard, 2 standard on the key pins. 3 has some serrations on the key pins, 4 standard and 5 standard. Taking a look at the top pins. Got 1 has like a spool with serrations inside. Pin 2 are some deep, wide serrations. Pin 3 is standard. Pin 4 is like 3, so some deep, wider serrations. And pin 5 is like 1, the spool with serrations in the middle. And it kind of looks like I took them out the way that they came out, so I didn't change anything, but it looks like pin 3 could have been turned around sometime. But anyway, there we have it. A wonderful challenge lock by Albert LaBelle, and that was a lot of fun. I guess taking advantage of using the Lishi pick even to pick the challenge locks. Guess I'm going to take that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure that you leave a like, and make sure you are subscribed, and definitely leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.